All right, pulled the oil pan off of Joey's replacement engine. Look at these pistons. No scuffs or hardly anything anyway. This is way better than what we were dealing with in the other hand grenade of question. We'll just call it that. Things are looking mucho better. We have our timing set. It's got a little slop to it, but it's not terrible. It's definitely better than what was in Joey's motor, but we'll get a better look at that. We'll get this timing cover off here in a minute. Get the timing cover off, check the timing set, and then I think it's going to be about time to go home. We are exhausted today. We came in really early, so we're tired. We're done. That block goes up for sale. This one's gonna get put together after we clean. I mean, that's original-ish. It's nice, whatever it is. It's well done. Not bad at all. So, Scotty, take a look. It's got the nylon covered timing set, as you can see.
So for those of you playing the home game, follow the bouncing rod. Not me, the rod.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces missing.
Yeah. And that's usually a nylon, or plastic coated.
Yep. And
over those teeth, and it's just warm.
Now you remember how bad yours was, Joey, on yours, right?
Yeah, that was sloppy.
That's why we did yours. Now, if you watch, I push it in so that it's tucked there like it's supposed to be. It's bowing out here.
And you can actually watch it moving the nylon. You can see the oil squishing about. So, we are going to put that new timing set we put in your engine, that one, is going to go on here. Everything is going to be dialed in.
And from what I can tell so far,
other than that, we're pretty
I don't think we have to touch the crank, the pistons.
No, the heads are going to get swapped out.
Yep.
The
some
oil
scrapey, some
we'll
clean.
We'll probably clean up his oil pump from that motor, put it in here.
Oh, yeah, of course.
And then bada boom, bada bing. So this will go in, it'll be nice, and we will be styling.
Yeah.
All right.
Styling, profiling. Woo! Just saying.
All right. Okay, so here's the balancer off this. Just sorry, I kind of skipped over it. We were pulling it, but I mean that's obviously cocked. But we have a new one that we got for Joey. So we'll just put it on, and it'll be all good.